How to fix Spotify upload 40 days on Spotify. Today guys, I have to show you and have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then you have to here to search just for Spotify, and when you found Spotify guys like that, just click on it and open it like this and go then to storage option. And then after this, what you should do, just go to clear data here, click OK and go back and click on first app and click OK. And now you have to go directly to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.